Oh no. Oh! I don't like that. No. I hear the chainsaw.
He's revving up.
No.
Oh.
That's Ponchita to you.
Ah!
Oh! Ow!
まずいの。そうなればあのチェーンソーは引っ込むぞ。
Oh no. Oh no 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 no.
What the heck?
Ugh. Okay.
She fed him. Did she?
What? On a leash?
On the door.
Whoa.
This is so chaotic. Oh, that was cute.
That was
perfect.
epic and dark. Yeah, it really was perfect.
Uh-oh.
Someone give him blood. Oh,
He's eating it?
what? He can eat. What? Okay. Oh.
Like jam.
So crazy. This is terrifying.
Screw loose.
頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだ。
Oh no.
サハラはまともだったな。木之内もまとも、スバルもまとも、佐々木もまとも。まともだから悪魔の攻撃を怖がっちまう。恐怖が悪魔の力になるからな。お前も銃野郎を殺したくて公安に入ったんだろう。その頭のネジはぶっ飛んでいるか。
ぶっ飛んでません。
Yeah, you do.
お前もだがな、銃野郎をぶっ殺したいなんて大体のデビルハンターが思ってる。素直でまっすぐ単純。だから悪魔の奴らもどうすりゃ怖がるか分かっちまう。だが、ネジがぶっ飛んでる奴は何を考えてるか分からない。悪魔も理解できんもんは怖がるもんだ。
師匠、酒飲み好きですよ。
はい、それまとも。日々の積み重ねがネジを緩めんだ。
His scar is crazy.
アキはまだまだ雑魚だから鍛えとけ。
ゆっくりやりますよ。
ゆっくりじゃダメだ。アキの野郎、本気で肉片集めてるだろう。あいつはそのうち銃野郎にたどり着くぞ。
That guy's voice is super familiar.
アキくん、一緒にさ、民間に
Oh, she tried to leave.
Wow.
いい額でお誘い来てるんだ。銃野郎なんて追わなくてもさ、お昼はここかどっかで食べて
Probably for his sake.
が言って、そういう毎日でいいじゃん。
飲みならいくらでも付き合います。でも民間には絶対行きませんよ。杏仁豆腐もらいます。
銃の悪魔と戦ったら絶対ヤキ君は殺される。私たちがまだ実力不足だからでも、相手が一瞬で何百人も殺せる悪魔だからでもない。だってヤキ君はかっこよくて真面目で優しくて
Hmm.
I wouldn't count on it.
Oh, she's helping.
Nice.
この男なら
ひらめいたぜ。
Eureka, dude.
目が俺に切られて血流して俺がてめえの血飲んで回復か。
He could do this for eternity.
これでノーベル賞は
He's like used to pain. Doesn't bother him.
飛んでる男なら中野郎を殺せるかもしれない。
Wow.
アキくんまだ生きてる。
How long has this been going on for?
どのくらい経ちましたか？
あれから3日くらいかな。
Oh my goodness.
みんなで酒飲みに行こ
They're all just napping.
う。ほらちょっと眠るわ。
Oh,
終わった。
is it? Exactly what he said would happen.
プール入ってるみてえで気持ちよかったのにな。
Wow.
銃の悪魔の肉片も取れたし晴れてるしそうした
Jeez.
後みてえな気分だぜ。浮いてるみてえだ。
Oh. This must be so exhausted.
新人歓迎会。
4課全員集まったことないしさ。親睦を深めつつ今抱えている問題をなくしましょうよ。それがさ、小紅ちゃんと新井くんが公安やめるっつってんだよね。悪魔が怖くなっただけじゃなくデンジ君を殺そうとしちゃって悔いてるんだろうけど。
Good. They should feel a little
言
guilty.
ってたじゃないですか。
ねえ、そんくらいでやめちゃうんだわ今の子は。ずうずうしく生きましょうよね。
She's funny.
ささっとデンジ君に謝れるし小紅ちゃんたちを引き止められるでしょ。
あんた飲みたいだけでしょ。
小
小さいけど肉片ありました。
Oh, wow.
It's tiny.
正直さ、デンジ君って何者だと思う？相手の悪魔がデンジ君のこと知ってたみたいだし。
Yeah, tell us.
だよ。一番謎なのがあのマキマさんがデンジ君を気にかけてること。マキマさん、あちこちに行くのに最近は東京にいるのってデンジ君がいるからでしょ。デンジ君の秘密を知ってるからなのかも。マキマさん呼ばせて聞いてみよっか。
Yes.
うまね。飲むの半年ぶりです。
私も
Wow.
家で少し飲むくらいですね。
のけ刺身は全部わしだし。
パフェ3つ、あと白玉温泉3つで。
The way she's stabbing it.
たくさん食べな。
これなんですと唐揚げは全部
Oh
わしのじゃ。
my
フシさん
gosh.
とこの魔人は連れてこなかったんですか？
ここには怖くて連れてこられないですね。
Who's his fiend?
理性が高くていいですね。
This is reasonable? Oh, are they talking about? Which one are they talking about?
読める感じが少ね
He can't read?
He never went to school.
え。キスの剣を。
おお、シラフじゃ恥ずかしいからさ。もっと酔ったらしてあげる。デンジ君をみんなで殺そうとしたこと許してね。
ああ、もう超許すよ。超。
名前と年齢と契約してる悪魔言え。
公共の場で契約している悪魔を言うな。手の内は信用した人間にしか見せちゃいけないぞ。
相変
Good
わらず
idea.
硬いやつだな。
That makes sense. I don't know why, but
Why?
it does.
俺、デンジ。年は確か16。趣味は食うのと寝るの。やば、バカ。
あんた酒飲んでないよね。
お茶。
Oh.
新井宏和です。22歳。契約している悪魔は狐。趣味は俳句です。
He just yelled that?
僕も同じじゃん。
Yeah,
狐の
what?
悪魔は人間に友好的だから、たくさんのデビルハンターと契約している。
狐の
That's
頭はイ
cool.
ケメンしか使えないんだよ。あの悪魔、面食いだから。
20歳です。契約してる悪魔は秘密で。
She does have one?
おりょうフシさんとこの新人は
残念ですが昨日亡くなりました。
Oh.
南無阿弥陀仏法蓮方言下教
先輩もう酔ってるな。
That was quick.
民間で無理だった悪魔が公安に任されるからな。
まあバンバン死んでくよね。私の同期ももう公安にいないし。
レンジ君は私とキスしたいから死なないもんね。
He's like, yeah.
ここにいる新人以外みんな姫野にキスされてるよ。逃げられねえからな。
確定キスじゃん。俺今日ファーストキスしちゃうんだ。
キス？
マキマさん。
Uh-oh. Caught.
本物のマキマさん初めて見た。
What?
レ
Really?
ンジ君、誰かとキスするの？
しません。
レンジ君キスしないの？
しまーす。
Wait. He's silly.
それでキスって？
姫野さんとキスするとかマキマさんに見られたくない。
チーしないの？
でも同じくらい強い気持ちでやっぱりベロキスしたい。
This is a true dilemma.
マキマさん、俺さ銃の悪魔のなんちゃら拾いましたよ。
前までこんな速いペースで肉片を持つ悪魔は現れませんでした。この間のデンジを狙った悪魔といい、最近少し悪魔の動きが怪しいですよ。マキマさんはデンジのこと。
Yeah, please tell us.
Does she even drink anything yet?
私より飲んだら教えてあげる。
Ooh, I doubt it.
すいません、生2つ。
私もそれやる。
No, she's a lightweight.
She's already hammered.
Oh no.
How?
でもすごいよパワちゃん。
I wonder if whatever contract she has, she can't get drunk. I don't know if that's a thing.
高いからな。
IQ で決まるの？そういうの。IQ どのくらいあるの？
100？
私は確か100ぐらいだったけど。
じゃあ120じゃ。
フシさんは高いんだよね。確か。
134でした。
わざわざ覚えてるあたり自慢に思ってそう。
私は確か500じゃったか。
100.
Oh,
おや、
Oh my.
見られちゃった。マキマさんに見られた。でもなんだ、この感触がした。
The kids are so fun. Haley, this is so funny.
口の中でとろけてるぞ。舌じゃない。
Oh no.
まずいぞ。これはまずいぞ。
oh.
口に入れない栄養になればどんどん引っ込む癖があるんじゃ。
No, 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 no.
No, Haley. Do we need to pause? Oh my gosh. That was really bad. Am I
Okay, wait, now
crying?
I'm sad.
Ew.
見ろ、ポチだ。ネズミが酔っ払いのゲロに集まってる。
Wait, did he actually used to eat?
同じ哺乳類として情けねえぜ。
Oh.
姫の先輩には自制心が足りないんだ。羨ましいよ。
羨ましいだと。こっちやよ。ファーストキスはゲロの味だぜ。それを羨ましい。
Oh my gosh.
皆さん、マキマさんのおごりだから感謝をしましょうね。
Thank
お
you.
金で飲むお酒が一番美味しいですね。
ね。
She has the sweetest voice.
レンジ君は？
デンジ君なら姫野先輩が背負って連れて行きましたよ。
Isn't she hammered?
どこだ、ここ。そういえば、ゲロ女にゲロキスされたんだ。
Oh. Is she drinking more?
ありゃデンジ君なんで私ん家にいんの
You carried him home.
She is not lucid.
そういや君マキマさんのことラブでしょあんなクソ女やめときゃいいのにもう牛しちゃう
Oh no. I want him to say no, but I don't know if he can.
Same.
Uh-oh. Was he drinking too?
He said he was only drinking tea.
But he seems drunk right now.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm very confused.
She's definitely drunk.
Yeah.
So, and also he's 16. I mean, I knew he was young, but I guess he doesn't actually know what age he is, which is a whole other sad thing.
Yeah.
But, dude, okay.
Okay.
That was disgusting.
I actually thought I was going to throw up there for a second. I'm a little scared. I started getting the sweats.
This time it was really not worth it.
No. Yeah. But he ended up killing the Eternity Monster, and that was incredible. And it happened almost exactly like he said it would happen. Like, I'm going to cause them so much pain that they're going to want to kill themselves. And that's exactly what it did. It was like, just kill me.
3 days?
Oh,
that's wild. Yeah, there's something, they all want Denji. Like they're after him for some reason.
Yeah.
And Makima knows more, obviously, than she's letting on. But they're like bringing in reinforcements because there's so many devils after Denji. So that's interesting. And why doesn't Makima is not affected by alcohol?
Right. Like she was going. Oh my gosh, she didn't even look the least bit tipsy. I wonder if whatever happened with Pochita and Denji is like so rare, where Pochita gave himself up for Denji's life, that it like has some special thing and that's why all the devils are after him? Or is it everyone just has beef with Pochita that we don't know about? Like, is it with the devil or is it because of the situation that they're in? Because Denji technically doesn't have a contract, like with a devil. Pochita just gave up his life for him.
Yeah, he didn't use the word contract when that was happening. Like I was gonna say kind of, because he was all, I'll give you my heart if you like share your dream with me type thing, which could be considered one, but Pochita didn't use the word contract. And they said last episode when like you use that specific wording is when it's special.
Now I want to know if Makima really does know like more about it and why they're targeting him. I'm even more curious because they brought it up again how like it's really weird that all of these devils are getting pieces of the gun devil. Yeah, I really just can't wait to like for them to figure out why exactly this is happening. Like if it's somebody handing them out or if it's like the gun devil himself, or I don't know. It's just it's really suspicious.
Or it's an American.
Yeah.
We're gonna get hot water with other countries. I don't know.
Also, wait, I didn't think about this. Maybe the gun devil himself has beef with Pochita.
Somebody has beef with Pochita.
Right. And maybe he's doing this just to like get rid of Pochita. Gun versus chainsaw. I'm gonna bring a chainsaw to a gunfight.
I just wonder if it has something to do with pain. Like, I don't know if it's specific to that devil, the Eternity Devil, being so like afraid of pain, or if that's like all devils. And now we know that it hurts Denji to like bring the chainsaws out.
Yeah.
And he just kind of like ignores the pain. Seems like he's not like afraid of pain. And I imagine it was probably the same for Pochita, which would make like that specific devil, if that's what's going on, is just like extra scary.
Yeah.
I don't know. But we know that like the devil hearts are special in the sense that that's actually like how you kill them. So really, in that the attorney double was addressing Chainsaw Pochita as if, Pochita's still alive because Denji has his heart.
Well, and then, okay, sorry, we found out so much. The devils can have contracts with multiple people.
Yeah, the fox is nice.
Yeah.
To people.
The fox likes people. I don't know. I wasn't expecting that really. Like, I wasn't expecting devils to have multiple contracts. Like, I don't know. So that was interesting to me.
Oh, also that guy that was their master, his voice. I think he's the same voice actor as Nanami.
Oh, it did have that same like soothing undertone to his voice.
Tell me if I'm wrong. But yeah, we've definitely heard his voice before. But
I hope we see him more.
I mean, I wonder who that guy is or what happened to him. Like, we never have seen him.
I hope Denji's okay. Hope he's gonna be okay in this situation.
I hope he is emotionally mature enough here to realize he shouldn't be like taking advantage of the situation, which is ironic because I feel like everyone takes advantage of him in his situation.
Yeah.
But like, I'm hoping that he won't here, obviously.
At the same time, it feels like she's taking advantage, even though she's drunk.
I know.
It's like, it just feels very right now.
I'm worried.
We shall see.